Hello guys, this is the day 3 flip button. Here I'm going to start. This is me. Oh, first try. Let me test this. Oh, it almost flipped. Oh, looks like I'm luck today. Flip! I cannot. That my stick is gonna be one straight, roll. One straight. Let me get two straight or three. One. Bruh. Please give me one straight or two. Please, Lord. Please. Give me a lucky day. Nah. Why? Why, guys? Why? Oh, one straight. Bro, I am tired again. And guys, peace out. Bye-bye.